Hi there, I am Nico Verzillo. I am with Fulton Grace Realty and the core team. I'm here today with Gary and Christine from Dream Vacations. We are all members of the Bartlett Area Chamber of Commerce. So Gary, can you tell us, what does Dream Vacations offer? What do you guys got?
So, Nico, have you been dreaming about a luxury escape but are overwhelmed by the planning?
Every day of my life.
Okay, well, that's where we come in. We're travel memory doctors. So, Christine and Gary Pappin, Dream Vacations. We
So Gary, can you go ahead and tell me something unique about Dream Vacations?
Well, as part of Dream Vacations, we're actually affiliated with World Travel Holdings, the largest vacation retailer in the United States. So, because of our affiliation with them and our industry connections, we're able to provide low pricing and exclusive offers that you won't get anywhere else.
So Christine, if somebody wanted to get a hold of you guys, how do they contact you?
Well, they can visit our website, travelmemorymakers.com, sign up for a chance to win a free cruise on a luxury liner.
Wow.
And sign up for our email. And remember, land or sea, come and see me.